Looking for the best telescopes for astrophotography for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 telescopes for astrophotography that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a telescopes for astrophotography that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended telescopes for astrophotography. Number 1 on the list is SkyWatcher Pro ED 120mm. Whether you're a beginner or looking for your new favorite model, the SkyWatcher Pro ED can be considered the best all-around telescope for astrophotography. As a refractor telescope with a 120mm aperture, you are able to capture a pretty clear picture of the planets and celestial objects that you're aiming for. The telescope has an ED shot glass with a 900mm focal length, f/7.5, which makes it pretty high up there regarding focal length, an important feature when considering how clear the picture should be. The dual-speed 2 Crayford-type focuser with a 1.25 adapter is also another added bonus when talking about the best features out there on the market. The viewfinder is measured with a 8x50 RA and a 2 dielectric diagonal, which puts it at top of its class, as well. The SkyWatcher Pro ED has 2 ring attachment hardware and even comes with an aluminum carry case to make transporting to and from your viewing area a breeze. The SkyWatcher Pro ED functions with high-performance EDAPO refractors and offers premium optical performance for the amateur and beginning astronomer. Especially since this type of telescope are known for superb contrast, high definition and coal-black sky background, you can rest assured that the stars and other objects of your picture will shine brightly. The SkyWatcher Pro ED is backed by a 2-year limited warranty. Second on the list is Celestron StarBright XLT. If you're looking to upgrade on a telescope, the aperture and focal length alone on the Celestron StarBright XLT make an excellent choice to go further into space. Not only does this Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope have optical system performance and transmission, it also shows a great deal of incoming light on the focal plane, making for pretty clear pictures. If you are looking for the telescope that can develop a coating system optimized for both visual use and for CCD/photographic imaging, this is it. The Celestron StarBright XLT works with not only a 280mm aperture and a 2800mm focal length that will put you right into outer space, but it also has 3 major components that solidify the high transmission optical system design. The uniquely enhanced multi-layer mirror coatings are designed with aluminum, SiO2, TiO2, and C02, which makes it not only great for observing in real time but also taking high-quality photographs. The multi-layer anti-reflective coatings are designed with MgF2 and HFO2, which makes it possible to increase the width of the band pass. You'll also notice that for the corrector lens, high-transmission water-white glass is used instead of soda-lime glass, making it extremely anti-reflective and the image highly improved. Number 3 on the list is Celestron NexStar 5 SE. The Celestron NexStar 5 SE has deep focal length as one of the best telescopes on the market for deep space astrophotography. With a 125mm focal length and AF/10 focal ratio, this Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope is definitely one of the most powerful and versatile ones on the market. However, not only is it versatile, it is also highly use-friendly, also coming with various objects that make a complete package for someone looking to observe high-quality celestial objects. Not only is it backed by a 2-year warranty, it also only weighs 17.6 pounds, putting it as one of the lightest telescopes on the market, making it extremely easy to transport. Celestron's proprietary StarBright XLT multi-coating system makes the images and your viewing extremely bright since light transmission sees an increase in the optical path. The telescope also uses anti-reflection multi-coated lenses, highly reflective multi-coated mirrors, and crown optical glass elements, to give you the best picture out there. The Celestron NexStar 5 SE also has a variety of other features that make it a complete system, great for deep space viewing. With its mount's precision tracking system and integrated equatorial wedge, you'll be able to photograph and view images even as they move across the night sky. You'll also be getting a single-fork motorized Go-to-Alt-AZ mount, a 25mm eyepiece and starpointer finder, skyline alignment technology, a NexStar Plus computer hand controller, a 40,000 Plus object database with Sky Tours, and a stainless steel tripod. Number 4 on the list is SkyWatcher S11600. The SkyWatcher S11600 is rated as one of our best reflector telescopes for astrophotography, and with these features, it's easy to see why. This telescope boasts not only a 152mm aperture but also a 1200mm focal length and f/8 focal ratio, which makes it extremely simple to use and easy to track celestial objects in the sky. The SkyWatcher S11600 also has a 2 single-speed rack and pinion focuser as well as 2 different eyepieces to choose from. You can either choose between a 25mm one or a 10mm one. This telescope also uses a 6x30 straight view finder scope, a tension control handle, and a floor-based manual Alt-AZ mount. This is a great telescope to have as you utilize its dual-axis Teflon bearings and its altitude tension clutch. Not only does it look good, it also performs well, with the large light bucket that offers a great look in accordance with performance. The telescope works primarily with its big parabolic primary mirror, which is extremely reflective. It also eliminates the normal amount of distortion that is often associated with spherical aberration, especially at the edges. Number 5 on the list is Celestron AstroMaster 114EQ. The Celestron AstroMaster 114EQ is one of the best budget-friendly telescopes for beginner or astrophotographers who are not looking to break the bank when looking for a telescope, whether you're an older child or a beginner adult. The Celestron AstroMaster 114EQ is a great telescope that provides clear and bright images of any celestial objects that you may want to see, whether it is one of the planets or different galaxies. The Celestron AstroMaster 114EQ can be set up on a mount, track objects as they move throughout the night and do everything manually through slow-motion adjustment cables. What makes this telescope extremely user-friendly is the fact that in about 5 minutes, you can learn how to follow the stars and take photographs of any other celestial objects. You don't need tools to set up the telescope and you don't need any level of experience to be able to use it. The permanently mounted starpointer finder scope centers the object of your photograph directly in your eyepiece. You can also use the Celestron AstroMaster 114EQ for either terrestrial or astronomical use. The rugged pre-assembled tripod has 1.25 steel tube legs for sturdy mounting. The Celestron AstroMaster 114EQ also comes with the SkyX First Light Edition planetarium software, which has a database of 10,000 objects and images. Just now is a list of 5 best telescopes for astrophotography that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.